What is the number one organizational change that is sweeping across companies around the world? Welcome here to our Scaling Up experience. It's an annual opportunity for you to go behind the scenes and see what a company who's scaled up using our tools has been able to achieve. We're here at the headquarters of United Wholesale Mortgage. Started really using our tools at about 200 employees. Today, they've got 9,000. They're setting up right now for their annual fair, where they'll host about 20,000 of their employees and their family members. And we know that, hey, having a best friend at work is part of the key, and they do this regularly. But I want to come back to what is this number one organizational change that is sweeping across companies, and that is the replacement of managers with player coaches or team captains. And by the way, that's what we're seeing here. Matt Isber, who is the founder of UWM, he also owns an NBA team, the Phoenix Suns, and he truly runs his company like a professional sports team. All the employees are on a team. As we go around and tour tomorrow, everyone's going to see that the team then has its team name. Each team has its team colors, and the leader of that team is called a captain, very much like Sam Walker's book, The Captain Class, where we've been encouraging companies to read that, where in part 2 identifies what are the 7 characteristics of what he calls a tier 1 team captain. In our view, it's more important for you to be looking and promoting folks to move into a captainship. Again, they're still one of the employees, they're still one of the players, they're just the leader of that team, than it is to go out and seek managers. We saw recently Coinbase make the same decision, that we're replacing our managers with player coaches. Cognizant even made a similar announcement last week in Fortune magazine. And so what is this change that is really sweeping across organizations? And that is replacing this idea of the kind of the old standard mid-manager with somebody who is a player coach. The thing that people really want more than managed is coached, or the term captain. I'm Verne Harnish, author of Start to Scale. Keep scaling.